So I've been spending a lot more time with my nephews and my niece. Have you noticed kids get hungry at literally the most inconvenient times? Like you're not near food, okay? I about got caught empty-handed the other day. We're walking in somewhere and they go, "I'm hungry." Luckily, a light bulb clicked in my brain before I left the house and someone said, "Girl, grab a snack." It was for me, but it worked out. I just gave it to them. So this time I will not be ill prepared. I will have snacks specifically for them. Let me show you what I got them. We all love a good junk food snack. Obviously, you know, kids do, but I want to keep it a little healthy for them. So I got the stuff from Thrive Market. I know my niece loves this aged white cheddar. They're like rice and corn puffs. She's obsessed. So we'll keep those for her. I figured you can't go wrong with Interstellar Cheddar Spaceballs. They're individual bags. That's what I love about these. Here's a bag. Don't get hangry on me. My niece has an obsession with crackers. She always wants crackers. I need crackers. I need crackers. Girl, I got you. And they're cute too. So I got her a variety of crackers. Look, they look like little bunnies. Do you see that? So we got the cheddar bunnies and then just the cheddar squares and then bunny graham friends. She's gonna be excited. She's gonna want these every time. Nephews, they love Marvel, Spider-Man, you know the ones, okay? So I got them some Partake Superhero Sprinkle mini crunchy cookies. Yeah, and again, individual bags, perfect. No fighting, okay? They don't have to share. They don't like sharing. Do your nieces and nephews or children love to share? Mine do not. So I had packed me some crispy grapes last time. That's when my nephew said, "I'm hungry." I pulled them grapes out and he's like, and then I was like, "Just try them. Just try them." He loved them. So I got some crispy apples this time. Those grapes are really good too, by the way. I thought, you know, maybe they would like these. They're little puffs, broccoli and cheddar. They got Toy Story on them. You know, I may have to put these in individual bags though. Again, because they don't like to share. I need a snack for myself too, so I did pick me up a couple things that I wanted to try. I got toasted coconut cashews. Aunt Rissa's got to have a snack too to deal with all them kids. Okay, if you're eating, I'm eating. Look at that coconut on that. Man, right in my lunchbox for the day. Now, I wanted to try these for myself, but I'm going to give it to the kids. Again, I'll have to put these in individual baggies. But these are cheddar cheese pretzel nuggets. They love pretzels. It reminds me of those little rolls. You guys know what I'm talking about? Little pretzel roll things. They're like pizza flavor or cheese flavor. You know what I'm talking about? Skinny dip salty and sweet cashews with a cinnamon crunch. That's really good. I don't know if the kids will like it or not, but I think Aunt Rissa will. This is pineapple sauce. So think applesauce, but pineapple sauce. I don't think you can go wrong. It looks just like applesauce. Oh, that's delicious. And it's unsweetened, so it's not overly sweet. Oh, honey, I need another bite. That is good. What do you think? Did I get best auntie of the year for all my snacks? I think I do.